Lo mfula iJaskey uthathwa njengoyingozi kakhulu ngesikhathi sokuna kwemvula njengoba ke iqhubeka nokuna imvula eGauteng. Lo mfula usuqalile ukugcwala ngoZibandlela ngo-2022 kwaminza abantu abayi-14 kulo mfula ababeqhuba inkonzo yasemanzini ngesikhathi kuqala isichotho. Abezimo esiphuthumayo bathi ke babizelwe ezigamekweni eziningi zokuminza kwabantu ngalesikhathi sonyaka. Kusenjalo iziphathimandla edolobheni laseKapa zixwayise izakhamuzi ngokuvalwa kwebhishi iMiltonin Lagoon ngenxa yokungcola.
Catastrophic pollution, sewage pollution of the lagoon for 2 months. Whatever measures the city put in place to control did not work. We had E. coli levels of over 1 million. It upsets me so to see this problem continuing 4 years after the West Cape minister instructed the cities, issued a directive saying fix the problem or you can be fined up to 10 million rand.
Miltonin Lagoon and the Dip River is currently heavily polluted. It's ecologically in a lot of trouble. So they're correcting their analysis. The water quality there is very polluted. The city has closed the lagoon to recreational use. It's been closed for a couple of years already.
Idolobha lithi ngenxa yokuphepha kwabahambele emabhishi lizothatha izinyathelo ukuqinisa komthetho wokungena kuleli bhishi.